So we're actually on the 6th floor of Sofitel, and we have an interesting view of the lake. Let's go closer. So you have chairs and tables here where you can appreciate the view surroundings. And this is Guangzhou, and in front is the lake. Okay, so far everything looks nice. Imagine you have a 5-star hotel with a very beautiful lake right in front. With Berna on the cell phone.
Tingnan mo tong view namin ngayon.
Ganda pala rito, the West Lake.
Kita mo? The lake,
Ganda.
Sofitel overlooking the
So most of the hotels are surrounded by this very beautiful West Lake. Oh my grandson, look at that, Dylan. Ilan taon na siya
3
yan?
months.
3 months.
Today.
We're looking
3
at the
months
photo of
today.
Dylan while observing the West Lake. Now we're going to visit the lounge. Nasaan ba yung lounge? And the lounge is actually on the 5th floor. Okay, we're almost here at the lounge. Oh, nice seats. Oh, may view. Oh, spectacular. Ganda. Ganda pala ng lounge niya. This is the best part of the hotel. It's the lounge. Wow. And you can eat, drink. What else? Eat, drink, relax, enjoy the view here at the lounge. Ang ganda. Ang ganda nga naman. Oh, saka upo. Daming upuan na magaganda. Yes, the best part, walang tao na naman. Kami lang ang nandito halos. Oh, there's one here. Merong isa rito. Oh, ano bang pipiliin nating food rito? Ito supposed to be ang afternoon tea. Aba, afternoon tea pero may may sushi. Aba, sarap to. Sushi siya for the afternoon tea. Supposed to be an afternoon tea. Tea eh. Oh, pero ito may egg tart pa oh. Galing Sarap tong food niya, Berna. Oh, the best part, hindi lang yung pagkain. Masarap ang ang ambience. Oh, saan yung tea? Panay soft drinks Oh, dito naman, sweets, tsaka fruits. Oh, ayan. Ayan ang mga staff dito. Hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. I said hello. 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 Cute naman niya. Sabi ko, hello. Iniisip niya kung anong gusto kong sabihin. Ganda. Perfect ambience. Impressed na ako rito sa hotel na to. May sushi for afternoon tea. Talaga. I think I'm going back here. Only because of this view of the West Lake. And that's Berna getting more food. Oh wow, okay yung service. Oh, good. Is it cold? Cold tea?
It's a hot one.
Cold
No, hot.
No, it's
hot. Okay. Okay na, hot.
It's okay.
Okay na. Okay na
Can we
Okay
just
na rin
have
yan.
one more glass?
Sabi ko cold pero it looks good
This is a cool drink.
Sarap ng ambience, Mama Berna. Sushi ka rin. Imagine meron na akong hot tea. Meron pa akong Perrier. Imagine that. Only here at Sofitel. Guangzhou, di ba? Guangzhou, wow. Mukhang babalik ako sa hotel na to. Noong una ayaw kong bumalik na rito kasi mukhang luma. But after seeing this very beautiful executive lounge, I might go back. Wow, tingnan mo naman yan. Oh, di ba? Pakaganda naman yan, with the backdrop of the West Lake. Okay, so let's enjoy the ambience here at the executive lounge of Sofitel Guangzhou. Thank you for watching.